In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Garfield. I'm starting out with a smaller circle shape, and from there a little larger circle shape resembling the body, because we all know how much Garfield likes to eat. And then some curved lines resembling the arms and legs, or just legs, because it's a cat. Okay, then I'm adding the large eyes that Garfield has and the nose between the eyes, and from the eyes there's Garfield's large smile, because yes, he's content and happy and cozy. Then I'm drawing the ears. Remember that you have to draw the ears really close, as it's Garfield's style. And he has these weird looking fingers. I'm doing some details to finish the whole drawing up. And don't forget to observe some images from Garfield to really see how he works. I mean, what's the details on him and those kind of things, because in art the most important thing is observing. Okay, I'm doing the line art with a black marker as usual, like I always do on this channel. And as I always said, you can achieve a really clean look with these lines, with these consistent, fine lines. Don't forget to add his stripes. You can add them later in the coloring, but I would prefer it doing with the marker. And these whisker things he has near his ears. He only has stripes on his head, his ears and his back, so don't forget those, because it's a part of him. Doing some touch-ups. And now I'm going to finish up with the coloring. You have to take an orange pencil or marker, whatever you're coloring with, a yellow one, and the pink one for his nose. I'm going to mix up the yellow and the orange, as he's kind of a mid-tone or yellowish orange. So he's not completely orange nor completely yellow, so be careful about that. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more drawing videos.